Hello guys, how are you doing today? And it's good to be back here again. So I want to first of all say thank you for subscribing. And if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to this page. Please subscribe. Click the subscribe button. It doesn't bite. So please do that. Now, my Japa people, please come on hear this. Come on hear this. Now, you want to travel out or you don't have a passport, it really sounds like you're not ready. Am I correct? Yeah. So you want to travel out, you don't have a passport. I don't understand. It's like you are working with faith, but you're, how do I put it now? Bible says faith without work is what? Is dead. So you are having faith in traveling out. You don't have a passport. You are just riding yourself on a bicycle, like one of my old friends would say. So you want to travel out, you don't have a passport. How? So if Jack today you heard you have an opportunity to travel out, then will you say wait for me please? I want to go and get my passport. No, no, no. So what I'm doing in this video is to share with you the things that you need to get ready. That's to show that yes, I'm ready to embrace opportunities that come from outside Nigeria, that comes from abroad. Excuse me. Okay, so quickly, I'm just going to mention a few things that you need to get ready. Now, when I say the reason I'm saying that you need to get this ready is because opportunity flies everywhere, every day. You get so you don't know the one that will come your way next, and you don't want to sleep on it. Once it comes, you hammer it. Now, all of these companies are looking for workers. Now, the moment there is an advertisement or there is a connect, there's a link, somebody tell you about one or something, you don't want to dull, you don't want to sleep on it, you want to grab it. But once you don't have the passport, in fact, that's the first thing anybody will ask you. So please, it's very crucial. It's very, very crucial. Yeah. Even some organizations now respect your ID card than your birth certificate than your INEC or whatever card that you have. Yeah. So please, you need to get your passport ready. Another thing you need to also get ready is your results. When I say your results, it could be your BSc results, your certificates now. Could be your certificate, could be your now not the notification of results now. Your certificate, if you're a BSc holder, a BD holder, whatever B you're having, please, you need to get it ready. You need to get it ready. Now, get it ready to the stage that when you need your transcript, you can easily what call for it. Now, you can't go to my school and we expect that your certificate will just be as fast as you can think of. Mm-mm. It's my school. I passed through it. It didn't pass through me, Trisha. Okay, so please. But if you're from my school, you're gonna be stressed out for your transcript. However, if you're from my school, I can connect you with people that can help you with your transcript and make it kind of faster. Nigeria. Okay, so that's that about that. Then some of these opportunities are not even for BSc holders alone. It's not for, yeah, it could be for OND holders, it could be. But what is important is have those results so that when you want to call for your transcript, because you're going to need your transcript on the long run, you need to maybe for something else. Because if you're going to the academic route, definitely you need a transcript. If you're not going to the academic route, you don't need your transcript. But if you're going to the academic route, I mean through the normal route, and you don't want to write IELTS, specifically for UK now, there's an alternative route that will require your transcript without writing any exam, but you're going to pay for that. That will be shared in another video. So you have two options: either you write IELTS or you go for this other option. Do you understand now? So that's about that. So you need to get your result ready. Then you need to get your WAEC results. If you're schooling, coming into school, then you need your WAEC results. NECO GCE, NECO, whatever is not embraced here. West African Examination Council certificate, your result is what is valid here. Yeah. So I haven't done that. Um, some people have to get some jobs even with their whole level results. Yeah, can get some jobs in the UK with your whole level results. As a matter of fact, you can have BSc, you can have a level BSc, MSc, and when you come in here, what will get you the job is your O level. It's possible. You might be doing the job of an O level, but of course, the pay still at least the minimum wage. Minimum wage is not like have I said this before? Sorry, it sounds like I've said it before. Minimum wage is minimum here. So it's not a 3K that you will hear that somebody somewhere is collecting 7K per month. No. Minimum wage here is minimum wage. You can't pay less than that. It's general, it's regularized, it's well regulated, so to say. So it's possible you get a job with a lesser certificate, so to say. Yeah, that's another thing. Then for IELTS, like I said, you might need the IELTS. If you don't need it, I told you there are two options to hit. So if you would write IELTS, if you're coming to the academic route, then it means you need IELTS. But I can connect you with a plug for that. You don't have a problem with IELTS from this plug. Why? I am a product of that plug. Yeah, I am a product of that plug. It's a virtual academy. You do your training, your classes online, you do your exercises online. But trust me, it's a wonderful place to be. In fact, the leaders they carry oil, they carry hair, they carry grace. So and some of these people just their oil could just flourish you. So please, if you need an academic, an IELTS tutor or a tutorial class virtually, everything virtually, amazing. You're gonna enjoy the class. I joined the class. I had 6.5 the first time I was writing IELTS. The second time, yeah, just decided to write it for one reason or the other. I had 7.0. Yeah. When I wrote my 6.5, I think I knew what I needed was 5.0 then. I think I was trying to process Canada then. I was trying to go through Atlantic immigration program then. So what I needed then was around 4.5. I had 6.5. So the second time was 7.0. Now this same academy was where my friend went to and he got 7.5. But when you're more away. Okay, so you need those things. So if you need those plugs, please just send a DM to me. You can comment on this. You can message me on the comment section. Trust me, I'm gonna reply your message. Then another thing you need is your CV. You can't send any CV. Personally, when I was in Nigeria, I used to work with a firm that I do interview for employers. Sorry, for employees now. I do interview and when I see some CVs, I shake my head. Who does this? How will you present this kind of CV in this kind of environment? And trust me, those kind of people, they will just keep forwarding that message to any corner. You might have to just check through that CV. You need to know how the CV accepted it needs to look like. You can even see samples online. Of course, I can definitely help with videos to show you the kind of CV you need to apply for a job here. You don't just module everything to get that jam-packed 5 pages or 7 pages CV. Damn. So it's gonna be as short as possible. I'll do a video for the CV. Trust me, I got you. So another thing I can advise you to, if you have it, fine. That's your driver's license. Yeah, that could be an additional advantage for your job. Yeah, it could be. When I got here, my manager asked me, you know, when the vehicle together driving. They're like, "Do you have a driver's license?" I said, "Yes, I have." I said, "But you have to go for our test, our driver's test." Oh, so no problem. When the time comes, I'm gonna do that. But if you're coming from Nigeria, your Nigerian driver's license can still be used to drive here in UK while you process your UK driver's license. Yeah, You have to go to the driving test and all of that. I've not started yet that yet, please. So there are still many other things to do. Yeah. Okay, so you need to do that. Then I come to understand that COVID-19 vaccine, no more COVID anywhere. Even in Nigeria, there's no more COVID. Like it's no more a threat. Yeah, so to say. So no longer a threat. So please, you might have to ensure that you have your COVID vaccine card. Now, some of these things, when COVID-19 vaccine was being, we were told to get the vaccine. A lot of us believe, no, not us, I was not part of them. You hear people saying it's the sign of the end time, is what else? Is the mark of the Antichrist, is the method of, you know, 666. Different stories covered their head. In fact, as water has covered the sea, different stories. And tada, today a lot of people need that vaccine to travel out. So then you were saying it's COVID, it's the Antichrist kind of, injection, whatever. But now you are begging them to please just give me, it can be very funny how we think sometimes. But this is just medical. So please, you might be asked. Now, if you think you won't be asked, then you get to a junction where you are told to bring your COVID vaccine. We start running around the scatter. No, just gather it. It's better you have excess items, excess documents ready than to have shortage of documents. You might not have that time, you might not have that chance to run around and start getting it. Yeah. And so other documents you will need along the line, trust me, I would, if you need them, you can connect me. I can connect you with people that can really make it, yeah, work faster for you. If you need assistance with your passport, I know some locations passport is 3, 4, 5 months upward. If you need your passport within 1 month, thereabout, you can send me a DM. You can comment on the comment section. These things are location dependent. You don't expect in Lagos, you expect because of the population, it will be difficult to really get your passport on time. Yeah. But for some location, it's faster and it's easier. In fact, it's cost less. Less. Yeah. So please, if you need the plug, I'm just here to help. Sincerely, just help you to help. Just want to connect you with the person that will help you do it. It's not it's just a location that is just faster. It's like going to north, but this one is not north. So don't be scared. You're not going to the north but if you go to for passport in the north, within 3 days, I think maybe 1 week, you get your passport. So it's this part of Nigeria. So with that part, southwestern and all of that, that's where the whole thing is. Okay, so if you also need assistance with whatever again, what else? Yeah, I think that's all for now. Please just get your school certificate. First of all, your passport, then your school certificate. Make sure that your transcript can be easily processed. Now, then you need your WAEC result, you need your IELTS result, all the alternative results that I'm going to be sharing later. Then you need to have a good CV. Then driver's license is just an addition. Then your COVID-19 vaccine. When you have all these things, it's easier to share opportunities to you and you click it immediately. It's very easier that way. So please, I don't want to make this video longer than expected. My previous video, I talked about those things you need to consider before you travel. Even before you start spending money on these things I am talking about in this current video, you need to be sure you have settled what I discussed in the former video. So please, if you have not listened to the previous video, you need it. You need it. You need it. When I say you need it. Okay, so that's all for this um video. And don't forget, what's it? So loved. John 3:16. So Jesus loves every one of us. So please, he loves you. That might just be the first thing you need before all of these things. So please connect with God. So if you have not subscribed to this video, please subscribe. Click the button. Subscribe. Subscribe. Let's just learn together. There are a lot of things to share here, guys. A lot of things. I'm surprised when I see some things happening. I'm like, when will Nigeria get to this stage? Make we will get there someday. But before we get to that place, Nigeria will be better. Somebody say it, say it now. Say Nigeria will be better. So it will be better by God's grace. We believe God for a better country, so that we don't have to move up and down because we want a better place. So God will help us. Please subscribe to this video. Please subscribe to this video. Thank you very much and enjoy the rest of your day. I love you. No, Jesus loves you and I love you. But I love you, trust me. I do. Bye.